Hey, this website is absolutely free and they pay you $20 again and again. It does not matter where are you coming from because it is available worldwide. In this method, you only need two websites. Copying something from one website and upload to another website. And the best thing is that it's only take you less than 40 seconds to do. So, if you want to make money from this method, then I will show you step by step process that how you get paid more money from this method. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So this is the first website which you use to make money. Copy and paste. In this website you are going to upload files and make money online only in 40 seconds. Here you can see this website going to pay us $16 to $20 per file, and they have promised us this. They are bigger, better, stronger, faster and safer to use. So you can browse files and you can drag and drop to this option. This is easy money and copy and paste way to make money online. So click here to know more about this website. They have rules and conditions to upload file. So earning are added only for complete downloads of any files. So make sure their rules and conditions. They have minimum payout $25 and they pay on request of 10 days after cash out. This is the second rule of this website. And the third one is don't cheat. Abusing the reward system will lead to permanent ban. So be careful on this website. And the better and best thing which I see on this website is payment are made by Skill, Web Money and Bitcoin. You can easily withdraw your money worldwide, and the size of file is 1 MB in size to get rewarded. So be sure your file size is 1 MB. Pay per download. They pay you $16 per 1000 downloads, and they have referral program. If you refer your any friends, you will get 10% commission lifetime. So here you can say they have mentioned lifetime you will get earning. And if you want there, and they have given you a best offer. When you reach $1, you will utilize your $1 to their premium account. They have their regular premium account price is $7. Without further ado, let's sign up on to this website to make money online by uploading files. So here you can provide them username, email address, password, retype password and payment option which they have provided us here, PayPal or Web Money. So click here that I am not robot and submit. Click here to upload files. So whenever you come up on this window, you will see that they have giving us option that browse files and upload drag and drop files. So make sure when you upload on this website, in this website you can upload PDF, ebook and tutorials which helps people to gain knowledge. If you get more downloads, you will earn more money. If you upload more files, you will get paid more. And the other website is pixels.com, which you going to use free stock images and stock videos. So here we can click any image and any video, download and upload it on uploads.net. So here we download this free image. So this is and download in our PC. So we will come up here and click here, click pixels image, and here we go. They have given us that. And here is a bonus tip for you. Whenever you download a file, any image or video from other website, you have to change the file of name, rename the file, and upload it on the website. So here we have to provide them a description. I am giving here a minimal to understand you to upload. So we are giving description that click start upload. They are uploading our file to their server. So you can see here our file is uploaded. So here we can copy this and share where you want to share. When people download the file, you will get paid $16 to $20 per 1,000 downloads. Here is a bonus tip for you. If you maximize your earning and your downloads, you can come up here, find a forum.net and upload it your post and find a forum and tell them this is image, PDF or ebook helps you to grow, and when people download your file you will earn more money. So that's all for today. If you like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.